Okay, so beta decay is the second one that we're going to write down and look at here. Okay, so if we're talking about beta decay, what's a beta particle? What are we talking about? Yeah, it's the weird little b. And a beta particle is just a what? An electron, right? So if you're talking about beta decay, okay, so this is our second type of nuclear equation that we're going to write. So beta decay, it's basically just where you're going to have an electron emitted, right? Now, the other one that we looked at was helium, a helium particle that had a charge, a positive +2 charge. What kind of charge is going to be on an electron? Negative, right? So if we say that we're going to write the beta decay for carbon-14, so here's our carbon atom, there's our mass of 14. We're going to put our atomic number of 6 right there. And if we say that this is going to be beta decay, you can put that real fancy little b right here. What numbers should go here? 0 and -1, very good. Which simply tells us that electrons have virtually no mass, and we know that from months ago. And electrons carry with them a -1 charge. Now remember, your numbers have to match up on both sides, okay? So what particle would have to be produced to make sure you get 6 over here on this side? And remember, this is -1, so 7. So this is going to have to be a 7. So 7 minus 1 will give you 6. And then the nice thing about beta particles is you don't have to do anything with the mass, right? So what element, what particle are we talking about here? Nitrogen. Yeah, nitrogen. N. Okay, that's beta decay. Right, real simple. Now, the other type of radiation that it said that could get produced with alpha and beta decay, what's the other type of radiation? Gamma. Now, we typically don't write that up here because it's just given off as a wave. So a lot of times when things decay, they just give off gamma radiation as a byproduct, but you really don't include it because it has no mass and no charge. But how would you rank it in terms of harmfulness? Very, extremely. Okay, so keep that sheet with you. You're going to need that for the next couple of days. So we'll come back and do more of this tomorrow.